Africa is home to some of the most fascinating and powerful creatures on the planet. From towering elephants to agile primates, the continent's wildlife is as diverse as it is dynamic. But while much attention is given to hunting, migration, and survival, one of the most fundamental aspects of animal life, reproduction, is just as complex and competitive. Today, we're counting down the top 10 animals in Africa that are known for mating the most times in a single day, whether it's for reproductive success, social dominance, or simply instinct. These species take mating seriously and often. Number 10. The mongoose. The mongoose might look like a small, harmless creature, but it has an incredibly active reproductive life. During mating season, males can mate up to 10 times a day. Living in cooperative groups, mongoose communities often coordinate breeding efforts. In such a competitive environment, frequent mating increases the chances of reproductive success, especially when predators are always nearby. Number 9. The impala. Impalas are medium-sized antelopes known for their agility and speed. But during rutting season, males focus less on running and more on reproduction. Dominant males control harems of females and attempt to mate as many times as possible, often 5 to 10 times a day. It's a short, intense period that can leave them exhausted, as maintaining dominance requires constant vigilance and energy. Number 8. African elephant. The African elephant, the largest land mammal on Earth, also has a strong reproductive drive, especially during a phase called must. This is a period of heightened testosterone in males, during which they become more aggressive and sexually active. Males in must may mate several times a day, often with multiple females, if they're able to assert dominance over other bulls. For such massive animals, it's a remarkable biological feat. Number 7. Wildebeest. Wildebeests are famous for their massive migrations across the plains, but their breeding season is just as intense. It's highly synchronized. Many females come into heat at the same time, so males must act quickly. They may mate multiple times a day with different partners, trying to pass on their genes before the window closes. For wildebeest, reproduction is a high-stakes race against time. Number 6. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzees, our closest living relatives, are known not just for their intelligence, but for their complex social and reproductive behaviors. Mating is not only about producing offspring, it also reinforces social bonds and hierarchy. During peak periods, a single male may mate over 20 times in a day. For chimpanzees, sexual activity serves multiple purposes, from diplomacy to dominance. Number 5. Furred monkey. Like chimpanzees, furred monkeys live in highly social groups where mating is part of a broader behavioral system. During the breeding season, males often mate with several females, and individual mating sessions can add up quickly. 10 times or more per day isn't uncommon. Rank within the group influences access to mates, so high-frequency mating is often a sign of status. Number 4. Spotted hyena. Spotted hyenas have one of the most unusual reproductive systems in the animal kingdom. Females are larger and more dominant than males, and they possess external genitalia that makes mating physically challenging. Despite this, during peak mating periods, hyenas can engage in multiple short mating sessions each day. Their reproductive strategy is shaped by competition and complex social dynamics. Number 3. Zebra. Zebras, especially dominant stallions, maintain harems of females and are very active during breeding. A stallion may mate 10 to 15 times a day with the same female to ensure successful fertilization and prevent rivals from interfering. It's a strategy rooted in both biology and competition. Number 2. Baboon. Baboons are extremely social and sexually active, particularly during mating season. Dominant males can mate up to 30 times a day, both to reproduce and to reinforce their social standing. Female baboons also play a role in initiating mating, and interactions are influenced by status, alliances, and timing. Number 1. Lion. The lion, often seen as the epitome of strength and dominance, also tops the list when it comes to mating frequency. A lion pair may mate every 15 to 30 minutes over the course of several days, totaling 40 to 50 times in just 24 hours. While each mating session is brief, the sheer number reflects the lion's evolutionary strategy, overwhelm the odds to ensure reproduction. In the animal kingdom, mating isn't always about romance. It's about survival, territory, and passing on genetic material to the next generation. These 10 African animals have developed strategies that rely on high-frequency mating, and their behaviors offer a fascinating look into the drive for life in the wild.